5 ways to make success habits permanently ingrained. In this presentation, you will learn 5 surefire ways to make your new success habits permanent. A habit is defined as something you do automatically, and in order to be successful, there are certain habits that you need to develop. But making these a permanent part of your day is a vital part of building towards that success, and these 5 tips can help. 1. Identify your methodology. First, decide whether you are trying to break a bad habit or develop a good one. Each one of these methods will take a slightly different approach, and sometimes swapping one for the other will allow you to make the habit stick better. For example, if you are trying to procrastinate less, you might plan to work an hour longer instead, because that habit is easier to develop. 2. Get motivated. You aren't going to be able to stick with a habit unless there is something motivating you. You should know what is driving your efforts to make a habit stick, and what the long-term results could be if you make a habit ingrained. For example, if you are trying to spend an extra hour a day working on your online business, your motivation might be the financial and personal success you'll have once your business takes off. 3. Make a plan. If you just start trying to develop a habit without some kind of plan in mind, you have a much higher chance of failing. Make sure that you know exactly what you are going to do to develop your habit every step of the way. 4. Track your progress and adjust when necessary. You need to see how you are progressing in your development of a new habit, so that you can stay motivated and know where your problem areas are. Adjust your tactics when something isn't working, rather than plowing on, because that is a surefire way to fail. 5. Daily for 30 days. Remember, you are trying to develop a habit that you will do automatically, and when you reach that sweet spot, that habit will become effortless. But in order to get there, you need to work on the same habit every day for at least 30 days. At first, it will require a great force of will, but you'll eventually do it without it feeling like a hardship.